Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, it looks like this season 8 guys, they are leaving no stone unturned, because one of the things a lot of people and we keep questioning ourselves and making mention of is the fact that uMacele akasebenzi, you guys. And now on this latest episode, uMacele, when uMusa wakes up in the morning because it was her night, while she's saving him his tray of breakfast, you guys, she decides ukuthi hey, this is the right opportunity to address certain things, you guys. And I feel like she did this on purpose, because this has been coming up with uMacele waye ngasebenzi, and it looks like uMacele, she did not like, guys, or she does not like this comment kaMusa of saying ukuthi uyamseva, because to her, it came off as if Umusa was saying it like in a monetary type of way. But now I did not understand it in that way. When umuntu serves you, for me, it's like it's the respect part of it, the honor type of it, which I do feel, guys, with the high bomb. Umusa has tried. He has tried, guys, because I mean, the fact that he even took so many wives, do we still call that serving a person? Or baseva ngeplate? Yeah. I don't even want to say that word. But anyway, there are some wives, like people like uMaphumano, guys. Hi, guys. uMaphumano has served uMacele throughout the seasons, and it's because I believe that Umusa instructed her, or maybe because of our understanding of the way his temple works. But uMacele says, listen, babake, phela mina ke, the reason why I haven't been working is because you said ukuthi awufuni ukuthi ngisebenze, you guys. Now remember, when they're having these conversations, guys, the two of them know the truth about that. But the importance of having the conversation on camera is for the viewers, for us, for us to get the story clear. And uManto, guys, she makes it clear indaba yokuthi, listen, just because ngumamkhulu, people have this narrative ukuthi mina I'm treated as a queen. And she says, I want to know what is the definition of being treated like a queen, because mina angiboni lana. And she says ukuthi people have this narrative ukuthi yena wangena emalini. And she's like, hayibo, mina leyo mali abantu bacabanga ukuthi ngangena kuyo azange ngiyibone, I've never seen it. But okay, we'll get them. Anyway, she says to Umusa, listen, you said you'd never wanted me to work, and that's why I did not work. And then Umusa avumeke. She goes on to say, you did all the grocery endlini. You did all the grocery endlini, so beyingekho imali that you were giving me as unkosikazi. Meaning, guys, ukuthi uMacele was not getting no girlfriend allowance. Now, guys, there's something, or now that I'm thinking about it, guys, you know, when uMacele says which she had a separate life, no Musa, that the past 20 years that the others were not part of, well, maybe they were part of it, even though she did not know, because this man maybe was cheating all of these years, even if she did not know about it. But there's something that I think we should consider, you guys, is the fact that, like, for example, wife number 5, uyangena manje, and I'm definitely sure ukuthi Musa, the way I'm saying definitely sure, ingathi I know people's bank statements, but kwisikhathi samanje, guys, kuyabhejwa. So I feel like Umusa does give uMakhwela, wife number 5, a girlfriend allowance, or he did used to give a girlfriend allowance before she became a girlfriend. Do you understand what I'm saying? But by the time he married uMacele, the money was not flowing the way it was flowing right now, you guys. And that's why some people say, unomehluko, guys. When you're a wife, when you're a girlfriend, it's not the same thing. Do you understand what I'm saying? Ucabangela indoda yakho ukuthi ithenga igrosa lana, i-girlfriend ayinasikhathi salokho ukuthi uyithengile i-girlfriend le kwakho, ukuthi uyithengile igrosa le kwakho, akanandaba, ufuna imali la esandleni, ufuna i-KFC, kodwa uma ungena endlini uzofika usho ukuthi hey, anginayo imali yeshebo, or whatever the case may be. So she said, guys, uMusa used to do the grocery shopping. She got 0. She did not get any allowance. So do you understand ukuthi the lifestyle that some of these wives are getting right now is not something that uMacele aqale ngayo? And maybe that is part of the lenkulumo yakhe of the life she had with uMusa. No one understands it because it was between the two of them. Anyway, she goes on to say to Musa Lalela, I have never came to you asking to buy me underwear, lingerie. I've never asked you for money for underwear. I've never asked you for money for clothes. And the reason why I have never asked you for those things is because mina ngangizisebenzela. I used to sell clothes. Nomganam, she mentioned the friend's name. She used to go and resell clothes, you guys, and she made her own money. You see, guys, so it was not that Umatsele was always dependent on this man. There was a time where she was, working for herself and she was not depending on this man's money. This man was just covering basics and she made her own money, you guys. Now, Umatsele, in her diary session, she makes it clear ukuthi le mali abamnikeza yona, it's not enough. Kodwa umuntu uyazithathela-ke imali athule. Umusa explains it in this way, guys. He says there's a system in place. A system that each and every wife gets an allowance each and every month, and it seems like it's an equal amount. Kodwa umusa, he coughs out or he takes out extra money merafika wamatsele because it looks like umusa as those demanding types yokuthi mina ngidli ini. So he like because he knows ukuthi he's fasting and she has to buy extra groceries for him. So he pops out extra money for that. And he also pops out extra money for the fact that the rest of the other wives' kids normally come SC Park after school. We will talk about that in another video. But Umusa, wait guys, before I go on to okay, let's maybe start with that. Umusa says that in a month, probably magaibala le mal, this money comes to 15,000 K. And I'm like, I'm sorry, Puti, that is not enough. Guys, if I was umamkulu, I know that yes, each and every wife is supposed to be treated equally, but I'm sorry, I want more money. As umamkulu, I want more money for the stress that you put me through by ungfages tembin. I want more money for that. And I think it's justifiable for Umatsele saying which she wants more money because she didn't say I want more money, but she was saying which this money is not enough. She just accepts it. She just accepts it because it's the money that she's been given, you guys. But I think even if Umatsele would come out and say, listen, I want more money, I would say it's justifiable. It's just that abanye bazokhala and say, hey, we are all equal and whatnot. But guys, 15K. No, guys, it's little money. So I don't know which Musa must try a plan but you Umatsele, if I was Umatsele, yes, I would have made that man draw up a contract, guys. I must get a certain allowance each and every month. Besides the salary that I'm getting from the company, I must get another allowance for the stress that you're putting me through, you guys. I know Wuti, they're supposed to be treated equally, guys, but that woman deserves a little more money, guys. She deserves a little more money for making that man live the dream or live the dream that he wanted to live. I mean, if she did not accept it, fine, she had the option to leave. But I'm just saying, Wuti, guys, no. Like, no, okay, maybe Leo 15K get angazi, but it doesn't seem like it covers grocery. She must put in petrol, find the house is covered, but no, like 15K at the end. Oh, guys, no, I'm sorry, but guys, I want to hear from you guys. What do you think around this 15K? Do you think it's enough money for Umatsele each and every month? Because Umatsele is like, hey, bo, 15K ngane. And guys, if 15K ngane, especially because yabona mawuhlala ku-RDP, 15K mningi gabi, or if you're just renting somewhere. But the bigger the house, guys, the larger the life you live, the more the expenses. Yes, granted, ukuthi mongasebenzi or when you know you work with what you have, but no, guys, I know ukuthi we complain about Umatsele ukuthi unezinto zakhe, but I need umusa ukuthi ayikhuphule leyo mali kancane nje, just for the fact of appreciating the fact that wasivuma lesi sithembu, why vuma le dream yakhe ke. Anyway, guys, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.